Hi everyone, my name is Dhika, and I'm from Royal College of Art, and I'm here to explain about my project called Banana as Matter, Tradition as Knowledge. Um, so I started with a brief on how can I incorporate the traditional knowledge for a solution for a more circular future. And this project explores how food, agriculture, and textiles are interconnected and how reviving traditional knowledge can open pathways for ecological futures. So in this project, I collaborated with Prism Good, a CMF industry in London, Strat Al Fiber from Indonesia, which is a supplier of my banana fibers, and Handi for the 3D rendering. Um, so the material itself is a source from Indonesia, and when the fruit and leaves are harvested as major agricultural communities for daily and commercial use, there's this waste coming from the pseudostem that are not being used for anything. So the rest of the plant, especially for the pseudostem, is often discarded and burned, which is releasing CO2. And with collaborating with the farmer in Indonesia, I explores the design textiles and materials derived from banana pseudostem waste. So on the left side, you can see how it's a photo of the fiber farmed in Indonesia. And the right side is how the people in Indonesia used to make the banana fiber out of the stem. And by recognizing the communities behind the fibers, reveals deep-rooted practices where tradition becomes a form of knowledge. The philosophy of tradition as knowledge grounds and guides the design process itself. So as you can see here, this is my making process where I not only try to make the banana fiber into yarns and into weaving as well. I try to use a 3D printing molding and then blend the banana stem into the 3D molded and make some material out of it. And also on the right side, you can see how I incorporated natural dyes into the banana fibers and weave it into a shaft loom. And here, this is my inspiration. It's coming from a tatami in Japan. I wanted to see how the banana fiber makes a very subtle and a very calm kind of look. And this is some of the results of the woven bananas with a variety of colors and textures. And this is also where I try to not only make the soft samples out of the banana, but also the hard samples. So I make some kind of like board and panels out of the banana stems as well. And on these photos of the woven materials, I use double clothing to make sure that I only use one type of material, which is banana, not using polycotton or polyester from the sewing machines. And here are the material boards that highlights the wide-ranging potential of the banana pseudostem itself, from soft textiles to rigid structural surfaces, facilitating a comprehensive investigation to the technical and design potential of the materials. And this is where I try to explore the potential of the woven material itself. How could it be made playful in if I put it in a wood, if I imagine it as a furnitures and everything. And also I collaborated with a 3D animator, sorry, to reimagine car interiors as spaces of intimacy and adaptability and personality, inspired by the shared memories of long road trips. So on the right side, you can see that this is the woven bananas on the seating, and on the side of the door.
It's 5 minutes.
So yeah, okay. So that's all. Thank you so much, everyone listening.
Thank you, Dhika.